Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how super easy it is to make money from Forex using a simple yet effective strategy. So let's head on to my computer screen so I can show you exactly how it works. Hello guys, welcome to this video. If you are new to Forex and you are looking for a way to make constant stream of income trading the financial market, then I think you should pay good attention to what I'm about to show you. If you're an existing trader and you're struggling to make constant profit from the market, then I want to give you a simple profitable strategy that can generate good 30-40% of your investment every month. Okay, so let's go straight to the video. All right guys, this is my computer screen, and as you can see, this is my MT4. This is where we do the buying and selling. This is where you see your currency pairs, as well as this is a chart. So the first step in using the strategy we want to talk about is you have to install some advanced indicators. Okay, right about now when you get a file, the advanced indicator should come in a folder like this, and in case it is in a zip file, you unzip it so that you can get access to this folder. So let's open the folder. We have indicators and we have template. So let's start with the indicator first of all. Now open the indicator, then make sure you copy it. So we'll copy the indicators. There are about 4 different indicators. So Ctrl C. Then open your Meta4 trader. Now you have to follow this step carefully. Go to File, Open Data Folder. Then you select MQL4. Then you'll see a folder called Indicators. So all you simply need to do, you copy and paste. You paste what the indicators which you have already copied, and these are the indicators here. So after doing that, you close it. Let's go back to the next folder, which is the template. So I'll select the template, then I'll repeat the step. I'll go to File, Open Data Folder. Then this time I won't go to MQL4, I'll go to Template. Then I'll just Ctrl V. I'll just paste the template there. So when you complete this process, what you should do is you should restart your MT4. So once you have restarted your MT4, now you just bring in the currency pair that you want to use. I usually recommend you using this strategy on major pairs as well as minor pairs. So let me bring in some major pair. We have USD Canada here, so let me bring in USD CHF. So let me bring in, you can see USD CHF here. Let me bring in Great Britain USD chart window. That's it there. Then Euro USD chart window. Then okay, we have Canada already, so let me bring in NZD USD and Great Britain Pound USD. So we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 7 pairs here, which are obviously we have about some major pairs and about 1 minor pair. Okay, haven't done that. Next, we want to load our template, and you come to this icon here, which is your template, and you should see this advanced payment collector here, which is the template we pasted in our template folder. So just load that up, and that will bring in all the indicators we just installed, and your screen should look like this. Okay, so I'll repeat that step for all the currency pair that I just
Incoming mail.
Okay, sorry about that. So I'll just repeat that step for all the currency pair. All right, so let me do this last one. Okay, so that's it. So we have them here. So these are the advanced indicators, and as well as you can see the colors here. So normally this is a very, I've been using this strategy for some time now, and honestly, I must tell you it's a is an accurate strategy. Okay, I can say 80% of the time it's correct if you know how to use it very well. So I recommend you using it for 30 minutes and above. So right now I'm using it on 1 hour, but don't use it for below um 30 minutes because normally this strategy or this indicator, they are very good in identifying trend. So, and because you don't want to get a lot of fake out, which is fake trend, you want to get concrete established trend. So that's why it's good to use in a higher time frame. So I recommend anything above 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, one day, it's okay. So but I'm using it on 1 hour. So how do you use these to analyze the market and to place trade? Now let's start with the MA here, which is the moving average. It's always on two color. I'm on USD card 1 hour. It's either on green or orange. Now when it's on green, it means it's an uptrend. When it's on orange color, it means it's a downtrend. Now, what gives us a sell signal? So let me start with the sell signal. Now, for you to sell, number one, the MA is going to be orange color, which is this line you're seeing here. It's going to be orange color. That's number one. Then number two, you have the arrow pointing down here, and number three, you have a candlestick that is red. So let me go over it again. The sell signal is number one. You have this indicator here, this line here, orange color. Then you have the arrow pointing down. Then you have the candlestick showing red. Just like you can see here, the USD card 1 hour is already indicating a sell here. So I'll come here. I'll take trading use 0.1. I'll take a sell here. Okay, so it's that simple to analyze. So in terms of putting a take profit and stop loss, I always like putting my take profit. Um, Let me start with stop loss. I always like putting my stop loss using the resistance support. I always like putting my stop loss using the resistance and support. So I talked about this more on my strategy. So in case you don't know how to place take profit and stop loss, you can go through my video on how to trade forex, my full course. There I explain how to put take profit and stop loss. So I use the market structure here to put my stop loss. So let me just do that here. So I'll put my stop loss here. Then in taking the take profit, most time I just there are two options. I can just put it here, but however I can just watch, since I know that this market is on the downtrend. So that's one good thing about this advanced indicators. It helps you to locate trend. So you can see this market is on the downtrend. I won't go into the nitty-gritty or the details on how to identify a trend, but you can see that it's forming a lower um, support to tell you that this is a downtrend. Okay, so having said that, I will always put my take profit times 3 or times 4 bigger than my stop loss, or most time I can do without the take profit and just allow the market to play out. So that is for a sell. Now let's see if we can see a buy opportunity. Okay, for a buy opportunity, just like I've spotted here. Now, number one, the trend line here will be green. That's number one. Then you have a green arrow pointing up, which is number two. Then you have a candlestick white, not red. So that indicates a buy signal. So having said that, in this case, I'll place it buy here. Okay, so I'll also put my stop loss using the market structure. I'll put my stop loss using the market structure. Then most time I can decide to take profit. Then most time I can just allow the market to play out and I can just ride on the trend and I can close the trade once I see that the uptrend is no longer active, and probably the downtrend is active. So I hope you understand how easy it is to analyze and make money from this trend. So just let me show you. If this is what we're talking about, you can see number one, you can see this orange arrow pointing down, and you can see the trend being orange, then you can see the candlestick being red. So which means probably if you have entered the market somewhere here, you should have been riding on a 92 or 93 pimp profit. You can see the same here, the arrow pointing up, the trend line is green, and you have your candlestick white, and you take a position. Even if you enter here, you can see this is about 68 pimps profit. So the same goes here. So it's simple, it's easy to understand, and this is what it takes to make money from the forex market. You don't need to be complicated. So using a simple strategy like this will always make you money all the time. So the question is, do all the trade becomes is it compulsory all the trade becomes profits, or how the trade profit? No, sometimes it can take you out, it can hit your stop loss. But however, remember I said this strategy is 80% accurate, which means 80% of the time you should be correct if you entered it following this factor I've just explained. So how do you get these indicators? How do you get the software? There's a link on the description of this video, so follow that link. I'll tell you how you can get this software. But next, I just want to show you a live trade from one of my live accounts, just to show you that these indicators actually work. So let's head on to my live account, and I'll show you some of the trade I've placed. So guys, this is a real account. As you can see here, you can see the account I'm logged into, Light Forex CN, and I'm on two trades, and you can see I'm on USD CHF sell and USD Canada sell. So let's see the trade. This is USD CHF. I actually used 1 hour to analyze, so you can see where I enter the market here. So like I said, just following this simple strategy I told you. Let me zoom in a little. So when you see this arrow pointing down, the candle is red and the trend line is orange, it's a good sell. And the same for the USD Canada. So you saw where I entered here. Maybe I saw this arrow pointing down here, and um, the orange line showing, indicating my trend line, as well as the candlestick. So I enter for a sell too, and we are on a good profit. So um I'll just allow my trade to run, just to see where the trend ends, and immediately I see the trend exhausted, I'll actually close the trade. So meanwhile, I'll just allow the trade run. So that's basically how this works. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to Forex and you want to learn how to become a professional trader, please click on the link in the description. That will take you to where you get access to my Forex class, where I walk you through from being a newbie to a professional trader. So all you simply need to do is to click on the link in the description. If you are a trader, then you're not okay with your strategy, you want to get access to this my strategy and many more of my strategies, please also click on the link in the description. That will take you to where you can get access to my strategies. Thank you once again for watching this video.